So, yun guys. So, ang pagpunta ko dito guys, grabe, ano to. Ang grace, favor, ang mercy, I'm very much thankful and grateful, and lahat ng mga words na ganun guys. Guys, ano. Answer prayer, man good to guys. It's like, I'm lack of funds, I'm lack of like support na funding from the outside. So, yun. Grabe ang ano, grabe ang prayer. So, answered prayer, it's true. Yung mga binabasa mong words sa Bible, it's true. Yung, just have to have faith na malala na He's going to give it to you. So, yun. Paniwalaan mo lang na if you ask, as long as ikaw nang hingi ka, ask, and it will be given to you. So, yun. That's the best. The best na mapapayo ko na ano, if you're planning na pupunta ka dito, tapos wala kang ano ba, lack of support system, lack of funds, lahat kulang, wag kang tumingin sa mga kulang mo, but look up, huwag kang malimot, look up, and pray. Yun.